Radhi, you're here even earlier than the sun today.
Kana, I've been waiting for you. Vrindavan feels incomplete until you walk through it.
If your heart calls me, how can I not come? Even the flute refuses to play unless it knows you are listening.
You always say the sweetest things. Tell me, where were you wandering this morning?
By the Yamuna, the water was so calm today, almost like it was listening to its own thoughts. It reminded me of you.
Of me? How?
Because whenever I look at you, my mind becomes still, just like the river before sunrise.
Kanha, do you ever think about why our love feels so different from everything else?
Because it was never meant to belong to this world. It's not tied to time, or life, or the body. It's made of something that doesn't end.
You mean love that exists even without being together?
Exactly. The world thinks love is holding on. But our love, it's knowing we belong, even when we stand apart.
That's why, even when you go to Mathura, even when you're far away, it still feels like you're beside me.
Radhe, distance is only for bodies. Souls do not travel. Souls do not separate. When I close my eyes, I see only you.
And when I close mine, I hear your flute before anything else.
But tell me, Radhi, why do you look upset today? I notice these things.
I'm not upset. I'm thinking.
Ah, thinking. That's more dangerous than my flute.
Stop teasing me, Kanha.
Never. If I stop teasing you, the peacocks will stop dancing.
You're impossible sometimes.
Only sometimes? I must be losing my touch. Tell me what's on your mind, Radhi.
I was wondering, why does love test people so much? Why does the heart feel heavy even when love is pure?
Because love isn't meant to make life easier. It's meant to make the soul stronger.
And how do I become stronger?
By remembering that you and we are not two. We are the same melody, just played on different instruments.
Then why can't the world understand that?
The world listens with ears. We speak with hearts. That's why they miss the meaning.
Kanha, sometimes I fear losing you.
Radhi, how can you lose what was never separate?
But you are the universe itself, and I am just...
Don't finish that sentence. You are the universe I return to. Without you, even my flute loses its tune.
Then tell me, Kanha, what is true love?
True love is when two hearts walk the same path without needing to hold hands.
And devotion?
Devotion is when your love becomes a prayer without words.
And surrender?
Surrender is trust so deep that you no longer ask, "Will you stay?" because you already feel the presence everywhere.
Kana, sit with me for a moment. No words, just you and me.
I would sit with you even if all of time stopped.
You know, I often pray that our bond helps the world understand love better.
And it will. Every time someone remembers us with devotion, a little more love wakes up in their heart.
Do you ever wish our story was simpler?
Radhe, if our story was simple, it wouldn't be eternal. It's because it's difficult that it teaches the world what real love looks like.
You're leaving again, aren't you?
Only for a little while.
And when will you return?
The moment you miss me.
That means you'll never truly leave.
Exactly. Radhe, remember this one thing. Love doesn't need a promise or a presence. It only needs truth.
And you are my truth, Kanha.
And you are my peace.